And there it is. I was able to get on a piece of, I put on about 1.5 feet of 20 and about 2 feet of 20, about 2 feet of 15. Shows you how short that leader was. I've been fishing big streamers on it. This is my 7 weight. And that turns over a little better. I knew I didn't have a lot of time left, and I just wanted to get out here because it seemed like it was going to be a nice evening, hot day, and the temperatures were kicking down really good right at the last bit of daylight. And on these small Kentucky streams, you know, that's typically good. And there it is. Ooh, nice jump. Get over here, buddy. Ooh, ooh, making that 7 weight work. Okay. You come here. You tired now. Good fight. Good fight. Ooh, you are a fatty. Here you go, baby. I don't know, I'm new to this GoPro gig, but that's a nice smallmouth for, oh man, that was a good hook too. Come here. Man, I'd like to pump your stomach, buddy. Look at that. That's what it's about, man. It's the persistence of it. You know, you can get mad that your leader's too short, or that you don't have enough daylight, or whatever. And there it is. I mean, that is just a blast. And you gotta be, oh, all right. Long casts. That's the name of the game. He's running at me. Oh. Nice head shakes. Man, my three weight that I typically bring out here be having a blast. You smaller than the last one, but you still got heart, son. Good night. Hey, easy release. Heck yeah, dude. These Kentucky old creek smallmouth, man. Let's do 3rd time's a charm. Let's see, people. Nope. Oh. I just had a bump on it.